Hi, it's me again with CorelDRAW Tips and Tricks. I just did a video on this yesterday, and the person I did it for, now his customer wants the plane kind of embedded into this, but where you can still tell the tail. So we're going to take this and we're going to left click, right click, and you can see the outline. We're going to take our plane and put it in the position we want. We want it about like right there, and maybe even if you're ever trying to angle something, you could, if you think that's in the middle, you could go back from the back. And I'm almost, well, it doesn't matter which one you move. I'm trying to just get it a little bit more in the middle, not doing a very good job. That's pretty close. Now, that thing is only, it's only a half an inch. I'm going to set my nudge factor on just 1 inch. And I'm going to make a duplicate and I'm going to move it over. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to left click, right click. I am going to go to effects and contour to the outside, just like 0.01. And the person I'm doing it for, you can go with whatever amount you want. Now I'm going to nudge the real airplane out of the way. I'm going to go, and I don't have to do this, but I'm going to go ahead and go to object and break the contour apart. And I'm going to get rid of the small airplane and move the large airplane into our drawing. Now this time that's pretty close to the center. So what we're going to do now, we want this edge. So I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool. Matter of fact, let me just get rid of this other airplane. And let's take the Smart Fill tool, set on black, and let's fill that in. Now, we want to take away the line, so I'm going to nudge that line over, and that took care of our line. Now I'm going to take our original plane and nudge it over. That's pretty cool. It makes it look like the plane is embedded into the arrow and really makes it kind of stand out. Now that I look at it, I would maybe angle the plane a little bit more toward the circle, and just all depend on how they want it to look. But that is a transparent. So if they were going to print this on a white business card or a white shirt or anything, that will not print because it's not there. And I don't know what airplane you're going to use, but I would definitely maybe straighten up. We got some, it looks pretty good, but there's just some jagged corner. I would maybe round off the corners a little bit of your airplane. Anyway, now I hope I answered his question, and thank you for watching.